Hello, my name is JC, and last year I started a blog, a craft blog, because I wanted to share some of my creations and projects with other people other than my husband. But this year I decided to try out the video thing. I'm very nervous about it, and I'm sure I'm not going to post very often or anything, but I really do want to get some of my stuff out there. I love watching other crafters' videos. I love the hauls and the racks and stuff, but I really love that there's a connection with other crafters, and I like to see that all of them are really friends, so hopefully someday I'm a part of that little community. This is really just my intro and kind of a little test video, see how well I do, just dipping my feet into the water, as they say. So hopefully if I figure it out, you can check out my blog, see other things that I've done, and I hope to be around soon. Bye.